Welcome to our countdown of the top 10 rare wildlife species you need to know about. From the rainforests of Borneo to the icy plains of the Arctic, our planet is home to a breathtaking array of life. But sadly, many of these magnificent creatures are facing an uncertain future. These incredible creatures are on the brink of extinction and need our attention. Join me as we explore their stories, the challenges they face, and how we can all play a part in ensuring their survival. Our journey begins in the warm waters of the Gulf of California, home to the critically endangered Vaquita. This small porpoise, often referred to as the panda of the sea due to the distinctive black markings around its eyes, is the world's rarest marine mammal. With fewer than 10 individuals believed to remain, the Vaquita is in a desperate fight for survival. Entanglement in fishing nets, particularly those used to catch the totoaba fish, is the primary threat to their existence. Time is running out for the Vaquita, but there is still hope. We travel now to the dense rainforests of Java, Indonesia, the last refuge of the Javan rhinoceros. Once widespread throughout Southeast Asia, this solitary creature now faces an uncertain future. Habitat loss due to deforestation and human encroachment has pushed the Javan rhino to the brink. With an estimated 60 individuals remaining, they are confined to a single protected area, Ujung Kulon National Park. Poaching for their horns, believed to have medicinal properties in some cultures, remains a constant threat. Our journey takes us north to the Russian Far East, home to the elusive Amur leopard. This magnificent cat, known for its thick spotted coat, is a master of camouflage in the snowy forests it calls home. Sadly, habitat loss, poaching and human-wildlife conflict have decimated their numbers. With fewer than 100 individuals remaining in the wild, the Amur leopard is critically endangered. But there is a glimmer of hope. Conservation efforts, including anti-poaching patrols and habitat restoration, are underway to protect this remarkable creature. Chapter 4. The Sumatran Orangutan, an appeal from the Canopy. We venture now to the lush rainforests of Sumatra, Indonesia, home to the critically endangered Sumatran orangutan. These intelligent primates, known for their long arms and reddish-brown fur, are facing an unprecedented crisis. Habitat loss due to deforestation for palm oil plantations is the most significant threat to their survival. The illegal pet trade also poses a grave danger to these gentle creatures. But there is hope. Conservation organizations are working tirelessly to protect remaining forests, rehabilitate orphaned orangutans, and raise awareness about the plight of this iconic species. Chapter 5. The Cross River Gorilla, Guardians of an Ancient Forest. Our quest for rare wildlife leads us to the dense forests along the border of Nigeria and Cameroon, home to the critically endangered Cross River gorilla. These elusive creatures are rarely seen, making them a true treasure of the wild. These majestic primates, known for their distinctive brow ridges and black fur, are among our closest living relatives. They live in small family groups, displaying complex social behaviors and strong bonds. Habitat loss, hunting and disease have driven them to the brink. The encroachment of human activities has severely impacted their survival. With fewer than 300 individuals remaining, they are scattered across a fragmented landscape. But hope endures. Conservationists are working tirelessly to ensure their survival. Conservation efforts, including community-based conservation programs and anti-poaching patrols, are underway to protect these gentle giants and their forest home. Through education and collaboration, local communities are becoming guardians of this ancient forest. Chapter 6. The Saola, a glimpse into the unknown. Our journey takes us deep into the Annamite mountains of Vietnam and Laos, home to the enigmatic Saola. This elusive creature, often called the Asian unicorn due to its long, straight horns, was only discovered by scientists in 1992. Very little is known about the Saola, as sightings are incredibly rare. Habitat loss, hunting, and the use of snares are the primary threats to their survival. Camera trap images and other evidence suggest that a small population may still exist, offering a glimmer of hope for the future of this mysterious animal. Chapter 7. Our exploration of endangered species takes us to the world's oceans, home to the critically endangered hawksbill turtle. These magnificent creatures, named for their sharp, beak-like mouths, are known for their beautiful, patterned shells. Sadly, they are targeted for their shells, which are used to make jewelry and other decorative items. Habitat loss, pollution and accidental fishing gear entanglement also threaten their survival, but there is hope. Conservation efforts, including protecting nesting beaches, reducing plastic pollution, and promoting sustainable fishing practices, are crucial to ensuring the survival of these ancient mariners. Chapter 8. The Pangolin, the most trafficked mammal you've never heard of. Our journey takes us to the dense forests and sprawling grasslands of Asia and Africa, the natural habitats of the elusive pangolin. These regions are rich in biodiversity, yet they hide a dark secret. These unique creatures, covered in overlapping scales, are the only mammals in the world with this type of armor. Their scales are made of keratin, the same material as human fingernails, providing them with a natural defense mechanism. Sadly, they are the most trafficked mammals on the planet, hunted relentlessly for their scales, which are highly valued in traditional medicine and as status symbols. The illegal trade is driven by myths and misconceptions about the medicinal properties of their scales. Habitat loss also threatens their survival. As forests are cleared for agriculture and urban development, pangolins lose their homes and food sources, making them even more vulnerable. Raising awareness about the plight of pangolins and strengthening law enforcement efforts are crucial to combating the illegal wildlife trade. Conservation organizations are working tirelessly to protect these gentle creatures, but they need our support. By spreading the word and advocating for stronger protections, we can help ensure a future for the pangolin. Chapter 9. The Kakapo, a symphony of sounds on the brink of silence. Our search for rare wildlife leads us to the island nation of New Zealand, a land of breathtaking beauty and unique biodiversity. Here we find the critically endangered kakapo, a bird unlike any other. This large, flightless parrot, known for its distinctive green plumage and owl-like face, is a marvel of evolution. The kakapo is a true oddity of the natural world, displaying behaviors and traits that are both fascinating and rare. However, habitat loss, introduced predators, and their unique breeding biology have pushed them to the brink of extinction. With fewer than 200 individuals remaining in the wild, the kakapo's situation is dire. They are carefully managed by dedicated conservationists who work tirelessly to ensure their survival. Intensive conservation efforts, including predator control, supplementary feeding, and artificial incubation of eggs, are crucial. These efforts offer a beacon of hope for the future of this extraordinary bird, ensuring that the symphony of the kakapo's calls will not be silenced forever. Chapter 10. The Yangtze finless porpoise, a whisper in the Yangtze. Our journey concludes in the murky waters of China's Yangtze River, home to the critically endangered Yangtze finless porpoise. This small freshwater porpoise, known for its playful nature and lack of a dorsal fin, is a symbol of the ecological crisis facing the Yangtze River. Pollution, habitat loss, and accidental entanglement in fishing gear have pushed them to the brink. With fewer than 1,000 individuals remaining, they are a stark reminder of the urgent need to protect our planet's freshwater ecosystems. Outro our shared responsibility. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the world of rare wildlife species. We've encountered creatures of incredible beauty, resilience, and vulnerability. Their stories remind us of the interconnectedness of all living things and the profound impact we have on the natural world. Remember, every action counts in the fight to save these incredible creatures. By supporting conservation organizations, reducing our ecological footprint, and spreading awareness, we can all play a part in ensuring that these magnificent animals have a future. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more informative content.